Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Node, JS 18+, Git, and an editor. Create a GitHub repository now and push an initial README so you have version control. Next, obtain WhatsApp Business API access or a Sandbox API key from a provider. This gives you a phone number and token to send messages. Once done, scaffold a Node project with npm in it, install Express and a WhatsApp SDK, and commit your package. JSON so your repo reflects the project baseline. Now you implement the core. Set up an Express server and a post/webhook endpoint to receive WhatsApp callbacks. You parse incoming JSON, detect message type, and route to handlers for text, media, or quick replies so responses stay consistent. Integrate the provider SDK to send replies and use templates for structured messages. Make sure to pull secrets from environment variables and store them in GitHub secrets. This secures tokens and keeps your repository clean. Finally, commit and push incremental working code. To finish, deploy your app to a public host and set the webhook URL in your WhatsApp provider dashboard so messages reach your endpoint. Test end-to-end with a real phone. Send messages, confirm replies, and exercise edge cases like attachments and unknown intents. Make sure webhooks respond 200 quickly. Retries can cause duplicates. If something fails, check server logs, verify stored tokens, and inspect raw webhook payloads. These steps usually reveal signature mismatches or malformed JSON that...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.